Hello on my channel. Today a recipe for a delicious salad perfect for dinner. As always, I invite new viewers to subscribe to my channel, click the bell and you'll be up to date with my recipes. I'm presenting a list of necessary ingredients. You'll find the same list in the description below the video. I will also add a link to my blog below the video. You'll find all my recipes. We need 400 g of white cabbage. If it's not young cabbage, you can knead it in your hands with a bit of salt. Then we add 1 small carrot. We grate it on a grater with small holes. Then we add 1 small onion, a small can of corn, 2 spoons of oil. I have a herbal one, but it can be any, to this salt and pepper to taste. In the end, 2 more tablespoons of chopped fresh dill. Mix everything together and our salad will be ready to serve. Express, tasty and easy to prepare. Prepare it for sure, of course. Watch my other videos, and for today, thank you and see you next time.